Hey there, Designaholics. I'm Carrie Lawless, and on today's Listing for Profit, I'm going to show you how we took this adorable little cottage, transformed it, decorated it so cute, and got it sold in record time. Stay with me. I'm going to show you how we got it done. First thing we did was right here in front. We had to improve the curb appeal. So there was a light kind of reddish wood door here. The red door really wasn't making a statement, so we went ahead and used our gel stain trick. And by the way, there's going to be a link in the description below if you want to know how to gel stain your front door. Really and truly improve the curb appeal. Let's go inside. Oh wait, before we get started, have you subscribed? Because if you haven't, you're going to miss a lot of good stuff. Listen, I'll wait. I'll give you just a minute. Done it yet? All right, awesome. Let's get started. So we have a tiny little foyer here. Really didn't have to do much. We just put a cute little picture and a plant. Now, what I really love about this house isn't really all that big, but you see this huge ceiling? I mean, this is amazing. This made the house feel so much bigger. So I love this living room, and I wanted to maximize the seating and the possibilities for the potential buyer as much as possible. So we went ahead and put a sofa here, two big comfortable chairs, and then we have this blank space here. So we went ahead and put a chair here and a cute little homey pillow to feel comfortable, and then a nice big statement lamp. It really maximized the space very well. Now, one of the things going on in here, I wanted to use the gray colors because I love them so much, but we had these warm floors to deal with, and they're very beautiful, but I still needed to pull it together. So I did my usual trick, and I just used the warms and cools together. Now what I did was I used a statement art piece, so that the first thing you see when you walk in is something that has the warms and the cools, and then we used the nice natural wood and the warm candles, and we just pulled it all together with accessories and pillows and all that kind of stuff. All right, I need to show you this other wall. I love this. I love this wall. So this is the wall you see. It's opposite the fireplace, and we used all the warms and all the cools. I mean, we've got light grays, dark grays, we've got golds, we've got charcoal here, metal, and all the textures. So we put a lot of different textural elements and a lot of the different neutral colors and pulled it all together that way as well. All right, let's go check out the dining area. Because there's no dining room in this house, this is the only dining area available. So I wanted to really maximize the space. So we put a 6-person table here, and also we had a small little chandelier here. This is really making a statement. So we went ahead and we went to Habitat for Humanity, and we got this really nice fixture. I think it was like, I don't know, $30, maybe not even that. We went ahead and hung that up, and it really helped to make a statement out of this dining area. Now, on the other side of the dining area, this was really awkward. I didn't really want to put a piece of dining furniture here, like a buffet. I wanted to have something a little more functional, and we couldn't spill into the walkway, so what we decided to do is just make a little conversation area. We made a clock wall. This was one of the most fun elements of the house. Let's check out the kitchen. Luckily for me, this kitchen was completely finished. We didn't have to do anything. The beautiful black granite, the stainless appliances, the cabinets were even painted. It was like everything just came together and the angels were singing. So this doesn't happen for me very often, so I'm super excited to have something great to start with. So all we did was add some decor. I like this. We had the three-dimensional metal artwork above the kitchen window here, and then we just put some plants and things to warm it up, but that's really all we needed here. I know you got a little sneak peek of this room when I was in the kitchen, and I'm sure you're wondering, what is that room right off the kitchen? Well, it's a 4th bedroom. It's a converted single-car garage, which was really a great idea and a great use of the space. So, and what's cool about this room is it even has its own separate entrance that goes right outside, so that can be pretty useful in some instances. And so this room was so wide, we decided to show it as kind of like an efficiency apartment kind of thing, obviously without the kitchen. But it's got the multifunctional spaces, which I think is really useful for a lot of people. So I like to show as many possibilities as possible. Now let's go see the rest of the house. Oh wait, I almost forgot. We are giving away a Designaholic t-shirt, and you definitely want to get your hands on one of those. You know how to get one? comment below. We're gonna choose one of your comments and we're gonna feature it on a future video, and we're gonna send you a Designaholic t-shirt. Just tell us what your favorite part of this video was. All right, on to the rest. Come on in. This bedroom is adorable. We've done this theme in other houses. We did it a little bit differently this time. I love this bedroom. This is our girly room. So, yeah, and it's really in the details that make a room so special. Like this fuzzy little blanket and the flowers that we put on the bed. Oh my goodness, so cute. We've got the little crystal lamps and our adorable little unicorn. One of my favorites. Let's go check out the next one. Here we are in the next bedroom, and I love how this room came out. So we had a lot to deal with here. I mean, we just had plain white walls, and then we had this beautiful flooring, but again, just stark white and gray, and it felt cold and sterile. So we had to warm it up. So we used like the grayish blue color. We used the taupey kind of wood, and then things like, you know, bed trays to pull all the colors together. So that's really the secret to this, is just finding a way to pull the warms and the cools together, warmed it all up, came out so beautiful. All right, let's check out the bathroom in this hallway right here. So here we are in the hall bathroom, and since this house was updated at different times, the bathrooms were done at an earlier time, and they had warm tones as opposed to the cool tones in the rest of the house. We just decided to incorporate all that with what we were doing. We've got the warm oak cabinetry here, we've got the warm frame around the mirror. But what we did do was bring in the grays, like with the decor here, and then the gray towels, and then we blended it all together, and it looks very seamless and very much in flow. All right, let's check out the master bath. Here we are in the other bathroom, and as you can see, we've got the same warm color palette to deal with. And you can see here, we did the same thing. We put the gray here, and we've got the gold, and so here we are with the warms and the cools, and then the artwork totally ties it all together. So, and in here we added some black because we've got a shower over here that's got this river rock in it, and so we just decided to pull it all together that way. And then we added some decor to the shelves, pulled it all together. Let's go see the bedroom. Hey, did you know that I'm a licensed realtor? And if you're looking to get your home sold anywhere in the United States, I can definitely help you with that. And if you're looking to buy your dream home, I can help you with that as well. I have an entire network of partner agents all over this country that will team up with me, and then we team up with you and help you reach your real estate goals, whatever they may be. So if you're interested in working with me to get your home sold or buy your dream home, check out the link in the description, fill out this little form, and I will get right back with you. All right, on with the rest of the video. I love how big this master bedroom is. And again, we've got the tall cathedral ceilings. It feels massively huge. One of my favorite features, they have this window seat here, and when I got here, it was just very plain. What we did was we hung curtains on the side of it, and we put, I mean, just these 3 little pillows made such a difference. Now, again, we had the white walls and the white and gray floors, super stark. So what we decided was to use this beautiful steel blue here, and then we just pulled it together with like the champagne tones. Another thing I really like about this bedroom is the fact that there's room for either a big giant piece of furniture or a seating area, so we decided to use it as a seating area. I do want to also point out one of the ways we warmed this room up, which was very important, was a huge rug on the floor. That made a really big difference. And then the other thing we did, one of our tricks that we always do, just so people can see where their furniture will fit, we put a really long table here, one of my favorite pieces that we have, and then we just pull the colors in this artwork basically from the other side of the room and pulled it all together. All right, I want to show you what we did in the backyard. So this is it. We are in the backyard, and we decided to make this a nice little conversation area. Yes, that is a fake plant out here, but I needed to warm it up somehow. So, but you know what? It's just giving the idea and making people feel comfortable in the space. So we just warmed it up with a little patio set and a rug too. A little inexpensive rug goes a long way. The last thing I want to show you is, look at this behind me. This is so cute. I love how they put the little shade sail out there, and just that pop of color and that little conversation area with the fire pit. It just helps people to understand what the possibilities are and to see themselves having fun, being comfortable, and living in the home. My name is Carrie Lawless. Don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss all the great content we've got coming up for you. All right, it's that time again. Time to choose our t-shirt contest winner. This week's winner is Pamela Buck. Pamela, congratulations. Your comment was so sweet and thoughtful, and we all thought it was amazing. So if you will just join our Facebook group if you haven't done so already, and then send me a private message with your t-shirt size and your address, and the shirt will be on the way. For everyone else, make sure to comment on this video, and maybe you will be our next winner.